So here's problem number 25 from 5.2. It is different than the problems that we just did. The problem, the half circle problem. Okay, one, where are the x's? Well, first of all, I don't want you to be thrown off by the fact we're using s's here. This problem is absolutely equivalent to 2x dx. All right? The difference between this problem and the other problem, oh, this one uses the s-axis instead of the x-axis. It's only, I can call it the motorhome axis. It doesn't really matter. I got to find a better word for that. Kumquat axis. Hamtramck axis. Hamtramck. The Quasimodo axis. There we go. All right. All right. So how would we do this problem? Well, we got to remember that this expression right here is a function. It is like this is f of s is equal to 2s. Or like f of x is equal to 2x. It's a function. It's a curve. What does that curve look like? Well, 2x goes through the origin. It has slope of 2. I think it looks a lot like that. Okay, what are the other elements of this problem? Oh, our lower boundary is a, our upper boundary is b. So let me put a lower boundary of a and an upper boundary of b. Remember, the things that are on the two ends of that integral symbol, that elongated s, are values of the variable that's in the expression. They're along this axis. And it says, would you please find the area under the curve down to the axis? And now we say, hey, do we know what kind of shape that is? It's a trapezoid. So this is equal to the formula for a trapezoid, which is 1/2 base 1. But what is base 1? What is that distance? No, 2a. A comma 2a. Okay, now that I gave you the answer, why is it 2a? Because I plug it into my equation, my function. When I plug a into this function, what do I get out? 2a. What is this coordinate right there? Or not? 2b. Oh, that's a long way to go for that joke. All right, and so filling in the rest of this trapezoid area formula, 1/2 base 1 plus base 2, and then multiplied by what is called the height, but this time it's running horizontally, b minus a. We can clean that up. If I distribute the 1/2 through both of those terms, I get a plus b times b minus a. And if I FOIL that, I get ab minus a squared plus b squared minus ab. The ab's cancel, and I'll rearrange it so it looks nicer. I get b squared minus a squared. Yeah, Phil?
Wait, why do you add the b minus a?
Well, our formula for the trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. And the height is an altitude that runs between the two bases perpendicularly. So in this case, that height is b minus a. Are we good? Excellent. So there's problem number 25.